Okay, this is my 1952 Sears Roebuck reel lawnmower. It's got a 2-horse Briggs and Stratton on it. It's not the stock engine. I had the stock engine today. There was no fire in it, and bent the crankshaft trying to remove the flywheel. So I strapped this on. Now the belt is too tight, as you can see. Got to buy a new belt because it's engaged all the time. The engage doesn't work. So, but I'll start her up and cut some grass with her. Oh, this is how you have to start it because of the stupid thing's engaged all the time. Okay, as you can see here, it says, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but Sears Roebuck. You can see it just right there. But yeah, I plan on restoring this or whatever, and paint and all that, but oh yeah, that's my visible crankcase. I think this motor was a demonstrator model for a school or something, so they removed the original plate and put a clear plexiglass plate. Seems to work okay. But yeah, I plan on fixing this up and actually going to use it for cutting grass. That's my plan anyway, not just going to sit it somewhere. So, hope you like my video. Thank you.